Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss with vocabulary part. First, let me go with your small topics, easier topics. Then I'll go to grammar. At last I'll go to grammar. Let me start with your prose, poetry and some easier topics. As situations are pandemic, so all of you write down whatever I am writing down. All of you make a note of all of these topics. In today's session, I'm discussing about vocabulary. So vocabulary, so what are the topics in vocabulary? Roots, prefix and suffix. Okay. Roots. What are roots? A simple form of a word without any prefix and suffix. Let me write it down. A root is a simple form of a word without prefix or suffix. Prefix or suffix. So, all of you make a note of these topics. Vocabulary. Under vocabulary, in your syllabus you have roots, word roots, prefixes and suffixes. So, write it down, ma. Roots. What is a root? A root is a simple form of a word without prefix or suffix. I'll go with examples. First, let me define what are these words. Then I'll go with your examples. Now, coming to prefix. Prefixes. What is prefix? Is a word fragment added in front of a word. A prefix is added in front of a word. Let me write it down. A prefix is a word fragment added in front of a word. Okay? Prefixes. A prefix is a word fragment added in front of a word. Okay, let me go with suffix. Suffixes. What is suffix? Is a word fragment added at the end of a word. Added at the end of the word. Of a word. Okay? So, we are in the vocabulary. Under vocabulary, we are discussing with roots, word root, prefixes, suffixes. Okay, suffixes. So, roots. What are a root? A root is a simple form of a word without prefix or suffix. Next, coming to prefix. A prefix is a word fragment added in front of a word. Suffixes. A suffix is a word fragment added at the end of a word. So, what is prefix? In front of a word. What is suffix? At the end. At the end. It's a end. So, is it clear? Now, let me give a small example of three of these. Able. It's a small example. Very easy example. Able. What is this? It's a root word. What is this? Root word. Write it over there. It's a root word. Okay? It's clear. Now we are going to add a prefix to it. What is the prefix here over here? Un. Unable. What is un? Un is a prefix. What is un over here? It's a prefix. Okay? Till here? Are you clear? Now, let me write it down. All of you write it down. Un is a prefix. Prefix in front. Okay? Now, suffix. It's a new word. Able is a word. After adding un, it's another new word. Unable. It's a able. It's unable. Now it is going to form a new word. Now suffix. A-B-L-Y. What is this here? Y is a suffix. Okay? Even you are going to get new word. Able, it's a root word. Unable, it's a prefix. Un is a prefix. Ably, what is that? Ably. Ably. Y is a suffix. So now all of you got it. What is a root? Root is a word without any prefix or a suffix. Okay? Unable. Un is a prefix. Able. Ably. Y is a suffix. Prefix is in front. Suffix is at the end. Is it clear, all of you? Till here you are clear. Now let me write examples which are there in your textbooks. So all of you write it down. So our English words were borrowed from Greek and Latin words. So let me start with Greek word and Latin words. First, I'll give Greek root. Have a box. All of you have a box. Draw a box. 1, 2, 3. Draw 1, 2, 3. In first column, Greek root. Next, meaning. Next, examples. I'll write it down, but you people draw a box. Normally, I'll write it down, but you should write in a box. I am going to give examples of word roots. Heading, word roots. First, auto. Here, in the first column, write it down. Greek root. Greek root. So, draw a line over here. Next, meanings. Next, examples. Draw a line. Examples. Okay? Draw lines. Here, here. Heading, word roots. First Greek root. Auto. What is that? Auto. What is the meaning of auto? Self. What is the example of one example of this auto with this root word? One example. I am going to write 2 examples with auto, autograph, automatic. Automatic, autograph. Autograph. Okay? All of you draw a box. 1, 2, 3. In first column, Greek root, meaning, examples. So, in the Greek root, write it down, auto. What is the meaning of auto? Self. So, based on this, you are going to have examples, automatic or autograph. If you know few more examples, some more examples, write it over there. No problem. Autotrophs. Okay? Autotrophs. It's one more example. If you want to write it down. If not, no need. Write whatever I am writing over there. Automatic autograph. You can, next, bio. So, bio. Next word root is bio. Bio. What is bio? Life. So, give some examples of this bio. Biology. Okay? Biology. Next, biography. Biography. Okay? Okay, guys. Next, chrono. Next, Greek roots. All these are Greek roots because our English words are derived from Greek and Latin. So first I started with Greek roots. Chrono. Write it down. Chrono. What is the meaning of chrono? Time. Write 2 examples over there. Chronology. Chronology. Next, synchronize. Nice. N-I-S-C. Nice. Synchronize. Once again I am repeating it's a synchronize. N-I-S-E. Synchronize. Okay, chronology, synchronize. So chrono is a root word. So the added suffix and prefix over there. So and the example is synchronize. Okay, in chronology, the added suffix chronology. Okay, the word in synchronize, cro is a root word. So prefix syn. Okay, synchronize. Look at here. This cro is a root word. So the added here prefix word. Syn is a prefix word over here. Okay. Here auto. It's no prefix. Here also no prefix. Here also no prefix. But here they added with prefix. The word is with prefix. Okay. Now next. One second. Dem. What is next Greek root? Greek root. Meanings. Examples. Started with dem. What is the meaning of dem? People. Democracy. Demographic. Democracy. Demographic. What are the examples? Democracy, demographic. Next, coming to electro. Electro. What is the meaning of electro? Amber. Amber. Electricity. Electromagnet. Examples are electricity. Electromagnet. With you can write a lot with this electro. Electricity. Electromagnet. Electromagnet. Write it down, ma. Electro. Amber. Electricity. Electromagnet. magnet.